update on the roll cage front. So I've taken the vehicle to be certified, that is to say checked. It's what we do in New Zealand to get it, any modifications signed off to make the vehicle road legal. And the guy has come back saying that on the brackets on the underside of the car that mount to the roll cage, so to sort of sandwich the car, the mounting plates underneath, they need to be radiused off, or kind of chamfered, I guess. They can't have straight square edges where they meet the underside of the car, which the brackets were when I got them. So I've taken them to an engineering shop and they have done that for me. Turns out it's a pretty easy job, took them like half an hour. If I had an angle grinder, I probably could have done it myself, but I don't, so I didn't. So I've had all four brackets. You can see I've had the edges rounded off, and I also had the corners rounded off as well. So these are now ready to go back into the car. But before I do that, I'll hit them with just some black zinc spray paint. It's also rust protection. And once they're on the car and the car has been re-inspected by the dude, I'll also go up there and hit it with some underseal spray that I've got just on those four mounting points. And then we'll be totally done with that. So we'll get these painted and chucked on the car.